I'm working in the R&D center in the control team. I'm the manager of the control team. We are working on the controller. We are trying to improve the usability. We are trying to make the controller better. We are working on controls. We are working on drives. And we are working to improve in general the hydraulic control. The machine itself is very well designed already, and our main focus is to improve the quality and to improve the usability. This is our main focus. In my opinion, the strong point is Wuxin combines the best of two worlds. First, we have European technologies, and we have the Korean productivity. And Wuxin make the best of both worlds. And this is a strong selling argument. We will focus on smart options. We will focus on usability, and we will focus on network possibilities to connect the machine to the company's networks.